So if I talk about 2 years ago, I used to play video games a lot. So when I was in class 10, everyone started calling me that I'm addicted to video games and you should not play these games and all, and you are just wasting your time, you are not doing something really good in your life. And then I realized that thing, that I'm just seriously wasting my time and not doing something really good and not even studying that I have to. And I changed my gaming addiction into programming habit, you can say, right? So hey guys, welcome back to the new video, and in this particular video I'm gonna tell you how you can change your bad habits or bad addictions into something really good habits, right? So this video is gonna be a changeful video for you, you can say, and after watching this video maybe you will start applying the things that I applied in my past and what currently I'm doing. And I got 3 internships after studying for 2 years, and now I'm just a great person. As in class 10, because of COVID lockdown, when everyone was studying from online mode, I used to play video games straight like 7-8 hours a day. And like from waking up in the morning to like eating my lunch and eating my dinner and all, I was only thing that I was doing, that I was only playing video games. Now what do I mean by giving addiction? It's basically when you are just constantly giving your time, your energy, or even resources without setting any healthy boundaries. For me, it felt really good in starting, but soon I realized that I wasn't leaving any space for myself. My productivity and my mental health was suffering because I wasn't focused on my growth. After realizing those things, that I'm just wasting my time, now it was a time that I had to make a change in my life, and I had to make a change in my daily schedule so I can get rid of this addiction of video games, right? So that's when I decided to add programming in my daily schedule. And after doing some code of like 2-3 days, 4-5 days, and after a week, I started realizing that the things which I was getting from video games, the dopamine which I was getting from video games, the fun, the energy, the happiness that I was getting from video games, now the same way I'm getting from programming. So this is the best outlet, this is the best choice you can add to your daily schedule, daily life, and that really changed me and my daily schedule, and I started doing code every single day. Now I started with just 10 minutes a day. Yep, only 10 minutes. It sounds small, but that's the key. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you are picking a new habit, especially something like coding. So I made sure to keep it simple at first. First, focusing on the basics of Python, writing a few lines of code every single day, making a streak of doing programming like for 7 days, for 28 days, for 14 days, I was making a streak. And I was like, I will not quit coding. Just programming anything, I was watching tutorial. It was like I'm giving something related to coding in my schedule, and I will not quit this. Over the time, those 10 minutes became 30, then an hour, and it didn't happen overnight. But consistency is what matters. I replaced the time when I used to spend caught up giving my habits with learning a new skill that benefits me directly, and it's been empowering. And the best part was, as I learned how to code, I realized that programming itself is a way of giving solutions to problems, creating tools, and helping others through technology. It's been a huge mindset shift for me, and now I feel more balanced and focused than ever. I used to watch YouTube tutorials, I used to watch Udemy videos, and I was completing my daily schedule. And when I was learning Python and I was learning Java back in my 11th grade, I started becoming really good in problem solving, and that's how the programming works. So the last thing that I want to say, that it's kind of motivation or something. If you are really struggling with these kind of things, if you are really struggling with your addictions and you are not able to change that, but the same day you are getting the thought that I have to change these habits, I have to change these addictions and these bad things that going up in my mind, and I really want to change them, the only thing I can say, start learning something new. There is no other way that I can say just go watch the motivation video on YouTube, just go start watching Python tutorials and start making content, start doing anything else. The only way is start learning something immediately. Like if you are having a thought that I should play video games, start learning Python like immediately. And then you will realize that the things you are getting from that kind of addiction, you will start getting it from the new thing that you are learning. So for me, programming has not just become a hobby. It was a way to build a better future for myself. That's what I can say. Guys, for watching this video, I hope you liked that video. So this was my journey from changing an addiction into a really good habit, and everyone can do this. I'm not saying that I was a chosen one, that something happened with me and I changed that addiction into something really good. You can also do that. Start from today. Leave a comment in the comment section. From day one, I'm changing my this addiction into this habit, and come every day in the comment section and edit the comment that dropped the last day, and just change that day 2 I'm doing this, then again come in the next day and say day 3 I'm doing this. That's all, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye.